and measurements. And at the moment we have around 40. So I hope the time was given. So maybe we can wait for 2-3 minutes if other participant may join.
Yes, we can wait. Till
Yes.
now, the Dr. Gautam has also not joined.
Yes. So we will start after 3-4 minutes. Meanwhile, if somebody wants to share something, they can. If somebody has something to say in these 3 minutes time.
I think the participants may be busy in giving some feedback and the quiz that they are having.
Yes.
I don't know whether they have already submitted or not.
हाँ सर, ज्वाइन कर लिया, आप देख नहीं थे क्या? हाँ, वो शेयर कर दी मैंने, वो चल रहा है।
Please mute, Dr. Gautam. Please mute your.
नहीं, वो तो ओपन है, वो करते रहेंगे जिसको जब टाइम मिलेगा, वो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। 2 घंटे का दे रखा है।
So we are looking for more participants to join this session. That's why we are here at the moment, waiting a bit. So should we start? Now we have more than 60 people here.
Let us wait for 5 minutes so that more participants can also join.
Okay.
Hello, Dr. Nathani.
Yes, sir.
Am I audible clearly?
Yes, you are audible, sir.
Okay. Actually, there is some problem in my internet connections.
But you are audible. Your video is also okay. I think it's okay.
All right.
And mostly participants are requested to on their videos so that we can see their faces as well. Good.
I think we can start now. I think.
Yeah, you can.
Because we have waited 10-12 minutes for the participants to join. Okay, so welcome back after lunch session, and you all are heartily welcome in the validatory session of FDP on antenna design, fabrication, and measurements. So to start this session, I would like to say Udyamen hi siddhanti karyani na manorathe. Udyamen hi siddhanti karyani na manorathe nahi suptasya sinhasya parvasanti mukhe mriga means every big work and hard work, any work, it takes a lot of hard work to complete it, not by just thinking only about the work. It's like that a deer cannot enter in the mouth of a lion. It's like that. So this work also has been done with a lot of hard work, and there were so many people behind this work. So first of all, I would like to invite the coordinator for this course, Dr. Anil Kumar Gautam, professor at our institute, to say something and brief about this FDP and what was happened, and please say a few words.
Okay, thank you, Dr. Nathani. So, good afternoon, everyone. So that was too long session throughout the 5 days. So let us discuss how happens during last 5 days. So let me start my formal, you can say the address. So here, so the presented distinguished guests, the director of this institute, all deans, HODs, and especially our HOD, Professor Y. Singh, also the convener of this FDP, and all eminent speakers, faculty members, media persons from various leading newspapers, and dear participant. So on behalf of Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, I, Professor E.K. Gautam, coordinator of AICTE Training and Learning Atal Academy, sponsored 1 week faculty development program on antenna design, fabrication, measurement. I welcome you all in this last day of the FDP and last session, that is validity session. So on behalf of the institute, I offer my regards to all experts and the people who join us during the 5 days of the FDP. So we are delighted and honored to host the Atal sponsored FID, faculty development program on antenna design, fabrication and measurement successfully. I believe that you have enjoyed all 14 technical sessions without any trouble or discomfort. I'm pleased to inform you that as much as 200 delegates from several renowned institutes of the country, such as from Indian Institute of Technologies, National Institute of Technologies, and some central university and state university, and many government institutions, private institutions were attended these informative sessions. So if we talk about this workshop, the workshop was started with its inaugural speech by our chief guest for the FDP, Professor Shamsundar Patnaik, who is director NITTR Chandigarh, and this was followed by the technical session by myself on the basics of the MAXTIP antenna that I have discussed, different basics of the MAXTIP antenna applications and its advantage, disadvantage, isn't it? Then the next session of the day was conducted by Dr. Akhilesh Mohan, Associate Professor, IIT Roorkee, on SIW antennas and its application. While in the evening session was conducted on circularly polarized dielectric resonator antenna based on PMC approach that was delivered by Dr. Raghavendra Chaudhary, Associate Professor from IIT ISM Dhanbad. And second day was started with a beautiful hands-on session over HFSS by Professor Manoj Kumar Meshram, Professor IIT BHU Varanasi. And it took a very long session. We started around 9 and it goes up to, I think, 1.5 or 2. Almost that goes beyond that. So it took a very long session, and I think you have enjoyed that session a lot. Then in the evening, Professor S.S. Patnaik enlightened us with his work on biomedical applications, different antennas that can be used in a biomedical field. On third day, we were having Professor Satish Kumar Sharma from San Diego University, USA, who delivered his talk on phased radar and beam steering applications. And in afternoon session, we again have Dr. Raghavendra Chaudhary with us on the topic of his talk on active MIMO cognitive radio for 5G applications. In the session of the day, or in evening session of the day, we have antenna scientist from A-Star Laboratories, Singapore, Dr. Nasimuddin, and he's delivered his talk on metamaterial-based wideband circularly polarized antenna designs. So he's nicely explained how you can excite these circular polarization in the antennas and how it can be used for the using metamaterials, isn't it? And on the fourth day was started with a wonderful talk on time domain analysis of ultra wideband antennas and their near field radiation properties, measurement by Professor Rambabu Karmudi from University of Alberta, Canada. And in noon session was conducted by engineer Karthik Goyal. He was from Design Tech System Private Limited, Bengaluru, on the role of FM simulator FICO in handling electrically large problems. So in evening, again, we have Dr. Nasimuddin with his informative talk on the beam steering antenna systems. So that was the last you can say session from the academia persons, and today we have both session from the industry persons. So first session was delivered by Engineer Gaurav Verma from Vivantech System Saranpur with this discussion on antenna fabrications, and he discussed about how we can design antenna using a PCB prototype. And then noon session was delivered by Engineer Gaurav Jindal from Applied Concept Group, Karnal, on antenna measurement. Although in that session there was a problem of internet, so in between some inputs was given by Mr. Manoj Sharma. Although that was a spontaneous, you can say inputs given by Dr. Sharma is from SIU Chandigarh. So thanks, Dr. Sharma. So if you talk about the objective of this faculty development program was to introduce participants to the world of antenna and give the insight into how and where it can be used. And I believe we have succeeded in this objective. Although that will be better tell by the participant whether we have succeeded or not. But as far as I'm concerned, I thought we have succeeded up to some extent. And as a coordinator, I'm also extending our facilities of full-fledged excellent lab for antenna research that is well equipped with design simulator, PCB prototype machines for antenna fabrication, with anoic chamber facilities with vector network analyzer, and we have all facilities for measurement up to 20 gigahertz. To all of you, if you need our facilities, we are open to all. So I hope this workshop has highlighted possible avenues for cooperation and also come up with mutual cooperation for the future endeavor, which can possibly impact our antenna research community of our country. So we would like to remind that this FDP is only of a starting point towards implementation of the research in the field of antenna technology. The efforts must be sustained and we count on you. So I believe that we have achieved the objective of FDP in introducing an understanding of antenna and its research. So in addition to friendship and solidarity in the among the you can say fraternity of antenna designers we have been fostered through this FDP. I would like to thank you all once again for active participation and wish you to remain safe at your homes. Thank you. Thank you very much. And maybe we'll meet again at any other forum or another FDP at our institute as well. So we'll again welcome you all to the next future adventures. So thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. A.K. Gautam, coordinator for this FDP. Now, the most important people in this FDP, and you can say who made this FDP a big success, our participants. So I would like to request and look forward to hear from you guys, the participants part, to share your experiences in this FDP, and so that we can improve in future, to know our weaknesses, to know our strengths, and how you learn, what you learn. So I request all the participants to please, you can open your webcam and you can say a few words about this FDP. Participants, please, one by one. If you like, obvious.
That's not
mandatory. You like it. Yes.
Yeah, good afternoon, everyone present here. I'm Dr. Mridul Gupta from Graphic Era Deemed University, Dehradun. I congratulate the whole team for the successful completion of this FDP. I've already been to Pauri many times and have attended your previous STP also. The department has always been a very helpful and kindly and shows always the kindly behavior to everyone who comes to the campus. Thank you so much, particularly Gautam sir, for giving us such nice opportunity, and the list of speakers that we had really is not comparable to any of the FDPs which is being offered these days through on the Atal platform. So I congratulate the complete department. Thank you so much, sir, and look forward for such nice FDPs in the coming future also. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Gupta, for sharing your views. Yes, thank you very much. Any other participant?
Sir, myself, Mr. Abhay Kumar, I'm assistant professor at JP Institute, Noida. I first of all like to thank Anil sir and the whole team. Actually, as sir has said, Mridul sir has said that it is one of the best FDP that we have ever witnessed, because in the area of the antennas we have very little FDPs. And overall experience as well as the topic that has been covered in this FDP covered the complete area of the antenna, starting from the very basics to a very high platform. Even we get a practical exposure from the industry person also, where they have given their suggestions that how we can set up the labs and how we can just go for the measurements. So I hope the complete FDP is as a package that can be continue for the next time also. We will look into such type of FDP from the GBPEC for the next time also. And I would also like to visit our campuses at Noida. I'm from Noida, so you are all welcome, and I'm very thankful to all the people in the organizing team. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, Abhayji. Thanks a lot, and are also welcoming us in Noida. Okay, that's nice. Something.
Definitely, I can go there.
Yes.
Right, sir.
And I found to be in Noida. So
yes.
So
thank you. Yeah.
Thanks.
So other participants, yes, please share your views with us.
Good afternoon, all the respected faculty members. Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, you are audible.
Yes. Afternoon, sir. My name is Dr. Ajay Dwivedi. I'm from NCT Bangalore. And seriously, sir, this field was very much limited to other constant, like people didn't get information clearly where to study and what is to be done. And there are like professors who have given their this knowledge to all of us. Dr. Chaudhary, Dr. Mesham sir, Dr. Anil sir is there. Seriously, we as a researcher, we always prefer your paper to study all those things. And this FDP was literally very much informative, sir. Some obviously there was some issues like internet and this was there, but apart from them, the hand-on session, whatever is provided by the this company collaborative, and the basically the practical application what all the faculties have shown, that was remarkable, sir. So I couldn't stop myself to just to tell to the faculties that it was very nice, sir, and it was very well organized, Dr. Anil sir, Sanjeev sir, and we love to have like next session from your side, and we also try to like this organize this FDP, and will be having your you as like the resource person for the next time, sir.
Yeah.
Sure. No issue.
Thank you very much, Dr. Ajay Kumar Dwivedi ji. Thank you for
Yes, sir.
sharing your views. And
Thank you.
yes,
Thank you so much,
other
sir.
participants. Yes, thank you. Other participants.
Good afternoon, sir. This is Manoj Sharma.
Yeah.
I am presently at Bell Panchkula, and I am a student of Gautam sir. And this
Yeah.
is the continuously in the third year. This is the third year I have even being from the industrial background. I really find these programs, and particularly I think last year it was when it was started at Podi somewhere in winter. It was very fantastic program, and last year and even this year, I think the quality, the way it has increased, it's really wonderful, sir. Very nice. This time I could find so many faculties from India and very good reputed institutes from some foreign institutes, and particularly it's starting from the basics of antennas and going into phase array concepts and time domain analysis, their measurements, and for medical applications. I think most of the area have been covered, and it was really very impressive and very informative. I am very thankful to all the faculties, and especially my guide, Gautam sir, for organizing such a beautiful program. And I wish that the corona should finish soon so that we can come to your institution. It is really a wonderful place. So once again, sir, thank you very much.
Thank you, Manoj Sharma ji. Thank you very much. And today also you shared a lot of information, your knowledge with us in between when we have the connectivity problem with the experts. So we are also thankful to you a lot.
So kind of you, sir. Actually, Gautam sir immediately told me to start, so I was got nervous what to start. Immediately he told, okay, come on, stand and talk. So it was kind of interview, but anyway, I could continue.
No, it was very good session.
It gave me a lot of confidence when you talk, and so thanks for you people for encouraging for all these things. Yes. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you very much. Yes.
Bye-bye.
And any other participant, please.
Good afternoon to all of you. This is Nipun Kumar Mishra from Guru Ghasidas Vishwavidyalaya, Central University, Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh. First of all, I congratulate Gautam sir and whole organizing team for organizing this wonderful workshop, FDP. And the speakers, all speakers were fabulous. And important thing was that the maximum speakers take the 2 lectures, means the sufficient time was given to interact the persons. So it was really a nice experience, and once again congratulations for organizing this wonderful FDP. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you very much for sharing your views with us. Other participants, please give your share your views and experience so that we can also learn something from your views, and we can improve next time if you say some things to us.
Not necessary to say good words. If you feel anything was bad, so you can share with us.
Yes. You are welcome to share your views.
Hello, good afternoon, sir.
Yes, please. Welcome.
Myself Sucharita Kandarkar from Idi Batu University, Yashoda Technical Campus, Satara. This is the first FDP, Atal FDP I have attended. FDP was very nice. Congratulations to all these committee members. Speakers are also nice, and my project PhD project, which is dependent on this antenna one. I got so much knowledge on this one, and very nice FDP, sir. And congratulations once again.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, ma'am. Suchitra, ma'am. Yes, thank you very much for sharing your views. And which place you are at the moment, you said?
Satara, near Pune, Maharashtra.
Okay, from Pune.
Maharashtra, near Pune, Satara. Mahabaleshwar.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
sir.
Thank you. Yes, other participants, if you are interested to share your views.
What are the different types of microcontrollers? Different
Hello.
types of microcontrollers.
Hello, ma'am. We are at the session when we are sharing our views about the FDP. I think this session is more it's not technical.
You sure?
No,
Yes.
still, if you have any doubts or anything you want to ask, you
What's your
please,
response?
please go ahead.
Yes, ma'am.
Will you explain about 8-bit division? Explain your coding, 8-bit division.
I do not understand what actually you want to ask.
I think she's talking with another person.
Yes,
Yeah.
I think so. Yeah.
Hmm.
Okay. Any other participants? Please share your experience with us.
Good evening, sir. This is Priyadarshini K. Desai from VNMIT Bengaluru.
Yeah.
This is the second FDP under Atal I have attended. One was it was from the southern part, and it was also on cognitive radios. And this was also an FDP, and the very clear picture regarding the MIMO and phase array, which I was very much confused, was very well delivered. Congratulations to the organizing team, and this week in the near future. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Priyadarshini ma'am. Thank you very much that you have gained something from your last FDP. Thank you very much. Any other participants?
चलो ठीक है, कह देने से.
If you are willing to share your experience, then please come forward. Otherwise, then we can go further with our proceedings for this session.
Yeah, Kuldeep Tamtam.
Okay, so I assume that other participants, they think that it's okay to continue with this session. So thank you very much for all the participants that you enhanced your knowledge and got some information and some hands-on and practical aspects of measurements. Thank you very much for sharing your experience with us so that we can improve on our next FDP. We have 2 more FDPs at all before December this year. One will be on solid state and another will be on optical communication. So the same team, our department, we are going to organize in next month and then next month. So we have 2 more before December. Now moving on. Thank you very much to all participants for sharing your views. And now I would like to request our head of the department, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Dr. Weising sir, to please thank all the people whosoever participated and contributed in this FDP. So Dr. Weising sir.
Thank you, Dr. Nathani.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay. So good afternoon to all. As we know that all good things come to an end, so is this faculty development program. On the behalf of G.V. Pant Institute of Engineering and Technology, Pauri Garhwal, and Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, I take this opportunity to propose a vote of thanks to those who have directly or indirectly contributed in conducting this FDP on antenna design, fabrication, and measurement. This is a day of proud that we have successfully completed this online FDP with active participation of more than 200 participants from all over the country. Let us first express our gratitude to Atal Academy for providing fund to organize this FDP. We are thankful to the director of our institute and other administrative office bearers who have extended support to conduct this program. We convey our regards and hearty thanks to all the eminent speakers of the program who have given their valuable time and enlightened the participants with their knowledge. We are thankful to all the participants who have attended the program and also taken active participation in useful discussions in different sessions of the program. I thank to the organizing committee, teaching and non-teaching staff for their support and coordination of the program. A special thanks to all media persons who have publicized this event through different media platforms. I congratulate Professor A.K. Gautam, coordinator of this FDP, and his team for very well organizing of the whole program. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Now, I would like to announce that all the participants, they will download their certificate online from Atal website, AICT website. And for that, I think they have to fill the feedback there first. Yes.
There are certain things which they have to do. First, they have to go for the Atal portal and fill the feedback. And although we are also sharing one link for feedback, for that is for our purpose, not for your certificate. Okay. So for your certificate, you have to go for Atal portal and then submit your feedback. Otherwise, you may not get your certificates.
Yes, ma'am. You want to say something? Okay. So yes, so that is important information for all the participants that you have to fill your or send your feedback on AICT website, and then only you can.
Dr. Nathani, one more thing. So obviously your certificates may take 2-3 days because many formalities we have to do, isn't it? Because we have to provide certain documents like your marks and your attendance, isn't it? So it will take certain time. So don't you can say ask for from today itself when we will get our certificate and all those things. So it will take time actually. So maybe in next week you may able to download your certificates, because that has to be done by AICT portal. So much things are not in our hand actually. So we have to only provide the and it will take time.
Yes, so that is important information that you have to fill your feedback on the AICT Atal Academy website. Not this feedback is not sufficient, and then you have to download your certificate after some time, right? So it may take some days, as Dr. Gautam said. After this, I think yes, we are done. It's 3:41, and I hope most of the participants, they have also completed their feedback for us already, and we have also taken your views about the FDP, so which are very much beneficial for us. We will take care of them in future. So finally, I would like to thank all the participants, because they were the very important asset, and for their time, and I hope they have learned a lot. And also thankful to our all team, departmental team, all faculty members of electronics department, and all our staff members also here, our colleagues. And what else? I think it's done. So thank you very much, all of you, and see you hopefully in next FDP, Atal or any other FDP. So thank you all.
We are planning for physical FDP for antennas. So you may get more exposure to the metering facilities and for fabrication facilities as well.
Yes. And we will have 2 more FDPs, one on solid state devices. That will be coordinated by Dr. Balraj Singh after 1 month. And after that, we will have 1 more on optical communications in November. So both are from Atal AICTE. So you are most welcome to attend those FDP also. So thank you very much, guys, and enjoy your time and stay healthy and safe. So thank you. I conclude the session here.
Thank you.
And faculty member of the department are requested to gather in the gallery.
FD5. Yeah. Okay. Bye bye.